Good day. Welcome to another episode of the Fantastic Amazon Productivity Video. My name is Ray Process, your Amazon Seller VA. Today we're going to be talking about how to list your product on Amazon. We are already done with product research and supplier sourcing. Now, it's time to list that product on Amazon. So, let's the listing begin. Before we start, we will be needing tools such Grammarly Chrome extension. It will help us in spelling and some grammar. Then, word counter or character counter, you can use spreadsheet or use search online. There's so many free word counter online. Lastly, the byte counter. You can also search for this online. Then, the prerequisite for this mini video course will be your keyword bank. Your keyword bank contains keywords relevant to your product. Next time, I will make another video dedicated only to keyword research. So, watch out for it. Product listing formulation is composed of competitor research, your keyword bank, the title, bullets, product description, and back-end search terms. Competitor research is essential in product development. It gives you insights into how they list their product, how they perform in the market, and what are things to be done in enhancing your product to address consumer satisfaction. Your keyword bank is the collection of relevant keywords to your product. Either someone researches it for you or you do it yourself. In the title, there are a lot of factors to consider before composing begins. Like, the character count must be between 160 to 200. That includes the brand name, most relevant keyword, your product name, and target audience, together with its features and benefits. While the bullets, it must contain a maximum of 200 word counts. It will include product uniqueness, the solution to the problem that the customers are looking for, the manufacturer guarantee, state the feature and benefits of the product. In the product description, it can be divided into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is all about the product. Second paragraph is illustrating the proper use of the product. And third paragraph will be added if necessary or applicable to the product you are listing. Now, back-end search terms are composed of relevant keywords that you may not have used, like Spanish and French search terms that are related to your product, and include 10 of your relevant product keywords, 5 of which are French and 5 Spanish. Congratulations! We have now listed our product. To sum up, in this video, you have learned the tools that are helpful in listing products such as Grammarly Chrome extension, word counter, and byte counter. You learned about the importance of competitor research and keyword bank. You already have an idea for product listing creation. We compose title, bullets, product description, and back-end search terms. So, see you guys. Once again, this is your Amazon Seller VA, Ray Process. Thank you for watching.